back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and today in this video we are going to be focusing on Agentforce service agent. Earlier also we have done some of the trail mix related to Agentforce. As you might be aware, in the latest Dreamforce, Salesforce is focused on Agentforce or release of their new AI, and they are focusing on Agentforce a lot. So let's get uh, into it, and we will be learning more about this in more of the trailheads, and there will be some other learnings as well. So let's focus on this module first, that is Agentforce service agent quick look. So I'll click on the start button, and it has only one module, that is get started with Agentforce service agent. So what exactly is this Agentforce service agent? It is nothing but a customer service automation related agent. You earlier, we used to have some chatbots which would be rely on some declarative dialogues or something else. But now in this we will be able to make decisions, and Agentforce service agent is grounded in our trusted business data and knowledge base. It will be delivering the most relevant context aware information to meet specific business or customer service goals, and it automates common tasks, frees up our customer service team, and to focus on more strategic high value work and building customer relationship. So in brief, I could say that earlier chatbots what used to do for they would be having some basic information to our problem, and later on they would be saying that okay, we can connect with our agent or our team members. But now it will be having, this agent force will be having much more information than the earlier traditional chatbots. It can create some tasks as well, which will allow us to have some free up space in our service team. They can focus on more important tasks. And what would be the key benefits this Agentforce service agent will be providing? First, that is, it would be responsive 24 into 7. It will be replying naturally, not like some bot or some AI is responsive to us. It will be using generative AI to craft conversational responses. It will add more clarity to our questions. It will be handoffing to humans. Let's say AI seamlessly transfer or escalate conversation to live agents who can solve more complex issues. So yes, if we are having more and more complex issue, and it doesn't have our answers, or it won't be able to solve our queries, then it can hand off to our live agents as well. It will deploy quickly, grounded in trusted data. It will be having more access to our business data. If we talk about that, how agent service agent is different from our Einstein bots. So if we talk about in terms of setup, so Agentforce service agent sets up in minutes with pre-built topics and actions. If you remember, in our last video related to Agentforce trail mix, we have built one Agentforce as well. So you can access that trail mix and build your one Agentforce as well. Then AI agents are powered by generative AI and large language models to provide flexibility and conversational capabilities similar to humans. But in terms of Einstein boards, its setup requires you to manually train natural language model. It doesn't use large language models to understand customer languages and design dialogues. Then in terms of maintenance, Agentforce updates a handful of out-of-the-box topics, actions, instructions, or even quickly create our own service, our own as service request increases. But in case of Einstein boards, it requires high maintenance to keep the dialogues and intents up to date, and to train new dialogues as well. Then, if we talk about context and exception handling, then Agentforce service agent understands human language and responds to follow-up questions, and unplanned exceptions has context of entire conversations. But in case of Einstein boards, it can't understand human language and only responds to the most recent question and has no context of entire conversation. So that's a very big bug. You don't have to repeat your earlier message or your earlier query again and again. uh, So Agentforce is definitely upgrade to an Einstein boards, and it will be very useful. Then we have types of Agentforce agent. So there are four, that is Agentforce service agent, Einstein Copilot, Agentforce SDR agent, that is sales development rep, Einstein sales coach. So service agent is nothing but who will be resolving our customer queries and available 24/7 with natural responses. Einstein Copilot will be assisting employees semi-autonomously with day-to-day tasks to make them more productive and keeps human in the loop. Agentforce SDR agent will be helping our sellers automate pipeline 24/7 by qualifying inbound leads and booking meeting for sellers. And then Einstein sales coach, it will be giving every seller a dedicated AI coach to make them your best rep through on demand realistic role plays tailored to each deal and personalized feedback. Then agent for service agent setup, we can create a new service agent by clicking by going to the agent builder and then clicking on new agent. So this we have already covered in our earlier trail mix. You can access that. I'll be pasting the link of that trail mix as well as that video in the description of this video. Let's come to the quiz. First is true or false. Agent force service agents rely solely on declarative dialogues to operate autonomously on customer channels. No. Second is which of these best describes how autonomous agents differ from traditional bots? First option is they use natural language models from trusted sources like cases. No. They require dialogue, intent, and language training. No. Third is they make decisions and use generative AI to create responses that understand context. Yes. Fourth is they only respond to the most recent customer question. So only C is the correct answer. Let's check. And that's how we are done with this module, that is Agent for Service Agent Quick Look. So I hope you understood something, you like the video. If you do, please like it, subscribe the channel, and let me know in the comment section what else you want me to cover. We can do any hands-on practice related to LWC, Apex triggers, and maybe some super badges or anything. And if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section as well. Thank you. Stay tuned.